Hi friends, it's Essie. Have you ever heard of Kwanzaa? It's a special time when families celebrate love, culture, and community. Kwanzaa lasts for 7 whole days. And guess what? Each day has its own special idea. Ooh, a mystery. What wonderful surprise will we uncover today? Let's take a closer look. Maybe today, friends, we get to learn what each candle and day mean. The first idea is unity. It means we stick together, like my family. Look, here's me and my family having a big group hug. The next idea is, self-determination. It means we decide things for ourselves, like when I choose my own clothes. I love bright colors. The third idea is working together. We help each other out. See? Here I am helping my neighbor carry groceries. Next is cooperative economics. That's a really big word. It means we support businesses in our community, like when we buy yummy fruits from Ms. Johnson's store. The fifth idea is purpose. It means doing important things, like when I help Mom water the plants. They need me. Number 6 is creativity. This is my favorite. I love making things. Look at this drawing I made. And the last idea is faith. It means believing in good things, like believing in ourselves and each other. Wow, Kwanzaa has so many wonderful ideas. It makes me feel happy and special. You know what? I love being me, and I love my family and where we come from. Today's special words are, I am proud of who I am and the family I come from. Can you say it with me? I am proud of who I am. Great job! Now let's celebrate what makes each of us special. What makes you special? Think about it. Remember, stay strong, stay loved, stay amazing, and always keep sprouting. Happy Kwanzaa, everyone! Bye-bye!